You know, we were just talking to Jan Morgan, who owns a firing range in Arkansas, and she has banned all Muslims from firing there at her range. While we are asking the question, would that Muslim ban hold up in a court of law? Federal defense attorney and constitutional law expert Paige Pate joins me right now. And Paige, good to have you here. She's saying absolutely she is a private club and therefore is able to exercise that kind of discretion. She feels very strongly that people of Muslim faith are potentially violent, potential extremists, and she does not want them using firearms at her place of business. Does she have a right to say that?
Well, we're dealing with a couple of things here. First of all, we can debate the policy implications all afternoon, but it is clearly unlawful. It is a violation of the Civil Rights Act to prohibit a certain race or national origin from coming into a place of public accommodation. Now, I heard Jan say, well, look, I'm a private club. That doesn't apply to me. And it is correct that a private club can get out of that restriction so long as they are truly a private club. Now, you're not a private club just because you say you are. Courts will look to your history. Did you advertise to the public? Do you have a selective membership? Do the members control the way the organization works? Those are the things that we see in a private club, and I simply don't think they're present in this particular business. She's
actually seen her business quadrupled, right, if you can believe it, since she put in place this kind of rule. Again, I guess it goes back to, you know, whether it's a club or not. Pretty amazing that private clubs can make those kind of flat-out discriminatory rules. But I guess in this kind of environment where people are so worried about potential attacks, you can understand, Paige, why they might revert to something like that.
Absolutely. And Jan did raise another argument saying, look, there are government regulations that allow me as a rifle range owner to prohibit certain people from coming in the establishment that I think may be dangerous. And that's a different type of an exception. And if she can truly say, look, this individual I know will be dangerous because of what he said, what he's done, he's made visits here in the past, then that is permissible. But she cannot simply have a blanket prohibition against a particular race or a particular religion. Wow. It's not just against federal law, it's against Arkansas law as well.
Very interesting story. We're going to have to leave it there.